In this video, we see about the overview of Windows 11. Windows 11 was officially launched on June 24, 2021. So, Windows 11 provides lot of features compared to Windows 10. So, Windows 11 you able to see how it works, but you can't able to install. So, you see some of the videos in the YouTube, the Windows 11 is installed and shown the preview, but the official website didn't show any updates for Windows 11. So, Windows 10 users can't update to Windows 11 for now, because it can be available on mid of this year or later in this year. So it will mostly, if you want to check, you can check with the ISO on other websites. So Microsoft website, it will not provide any ISO for that. So I recommended don't try with any beta versions to install and check it, because it will create some problems, because the Windows 11 now only is launched. So be careful before going to Windows 11. So if it's officially announced, you can upgrade to Windows 11. So it will provide regular updates to you. Let's jump into the video. You will see the website, Windows 11 website, and click that video. You will see how Windows 11 feature will looks and how Windows 7 will work. And Windows 7 provides new experience and a fresh look to the user. So it will provide better performance, and you will see the start menu is provided on the middle. So most of the features was changed after 6 years with Microsoft as launched new version. You see the game compatibility support, and if you want, you can check compatibility with Windows 10 to Windows 11 using this app. So I download and check. So I downloaded, and also before going that, you see on the system requirements 4 GB RAM minimum required, and click that system requirements link. It will show all the requirements. Now we will go into the setup. You will read some of the privacy terms. What are the privacy terms are there? And click I accept the agreement and click the next. Then it will installing. It will take some time to install. After installing, you will click finish and then open on your computer using this icon, Windows PC Health Check. This app only tells your PC is compatible with Windows 10 to Windows 11. So Windows 10 users can check using this app if you are using original Windows 10. So I check with the app. It will show the Windows updater where checked, and the storage capacity, the startup time, all are good, but it will require sign in. And then I will click check now. It will show some dialog. So my PC is ready to go on Windows 11. Next thing you will see on that website, some of the FAQ is there. You have any more questions on Windows 11, you can see on the FAQ section, frequently asked questions, and click show more, and you will see all the questions the provided answers with by Microsoft. So I go to settings and check on update section, update and security section. The start menu, you will go to the updates. The update and security section, it will show latest update, but it will not show any Windows 11 updates. So please ensure the Windows 11 will launch it on, fully launched on in the middle of this year or later in this year. We will wait.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. For subscribing Maxim Solutions, by clicking subscribe button. By clicking bell icon, you get regular notification.